Okay. Explain the differences between GCF and LCM and how they are used.
GCF, the greatest common factor. You you look for the common factors of two or more numbers, and use you can use prime factorization or factor tree method to find the greatest common factor.
Okay.
LCM is the least common multiple. You find the you can find uh, LCM, the least common multiple, is when you find the smallest, the least common multiple of two or more numbers. Least common LCM can be used in fractions by in addition to fractions. When two fractions are unlike, you find the least common multiple of two of the denominators, and in that you do the same thing with subtracting and adding. GCF, I'm coming down to GCF. Probably LCM na mabalay pag the fractions.
Okay. So, how do you add and subtract proper fractions?
You add or subtract the.
How about unlike fractions? How do you add unlike fractions?
When you add or subtract like fractions, you only add and subtract the numerators and see if it can be simplified further. Adding or subtracting unlike fractions, you need to find the least common multiple of the denominators, like 2/5 minus 1/4. You find the least common multiple, so 5, 10, 15, 20. So you turn the denominator into 20, and you and 5 times 4 is 20. So 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 over 20, and 4 over 20. So 8 over 20, 8 over 20 minus 4 over 20 is 4 over 20. And again, you find the LCM.
How about multiplying and dividing proper and improper fractions?
Multiplying fraction, you multiply when multiplying multiplying fractions, like 2/3 times 4/5. You times the you multiply the you multiply the numerator to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. So 8 over 15. When dividing unlike or like fractions, or 2/3 divided by 4/5, you change the 2/3 remains the same. The division sign turns into the multiplication sign. You flip the 4/5.
What do you call it? Flipping.
The reciprocal.
Okay.
So 5/4. 3/4. 3 times 4 is 20. 12. 12 times 2 is 10. So 2/3 divided by 4 over 5 is 10 over 12.
Can you
So,
simplify that further?
no. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 over 6.
Okay. How about rate?
Ratio.
Ratio and proportion.
Ratio is when you compare two quantities, like when you compare two, like wait, like 1 1 1 3. So if I had 2 cupcakes and Ria has unknown cupcakes, the ratio of my cupcakes of my cupcakes to from me to Ria is 1 3. 1/3, 1 3. And if I had 2 cupcakes, how many does Ria have? So 1/3. I had 2 cupcakes, so 2 1 unit is equals to 2 cupcakes. Ria had 3 units. So 2 times 3. So 6. Ria had 6 cupcakes.
Okay.
Ganun po.